know you'll be wondering why Chifimo is smiling at this hot afternoon. Of course, you know anytime I'm smiling like this, there is a good news. Ask me what is happening. On the 10th of July, something is happening in Maryland, USA. Maryland, USA. With Okum, Magaya with Onomo. One of my sisters, one of my amiable, adorable, and a hard-working sister. She is launching her new business. Of course, we know them as Z-Crew Events. They deal on cakes, indoor decoration, outdoor decoration, all this while. But now they are launching a new rental service. You want to rent a bridal seat? You want to rent chair cover, table cover, golden spoon, silver spoon? You want, in fact, anything that is rentable that will make your event colorful. Even though they burn you with a ordinary rubber spoon. Maybe sometimes people go say, these people were born with golden spoon. This time around, you can go to Zikri event and rent a golden spoon. You become somebody with golden spoon. And when you put on you got what I'm telling you. So I want everybody to get ready. On that 10th of July, we are going to test all kinds of beautiful things that they are producing. Is it called meat pie, donuts, egg roll, fish roll, hot dog, cold dog, warm dog, microwaved dog, smoked dog, fish, just to make your event tasty, colorful, and beautiful. Contact Z Crew Event. In fact, that lady, she can use you. She can use you to turn over to cake. Sometimes I'll be looking up to her. I'll be watching her presentations. I'll go to her page. You see all these handles. You see this handle on the screen. See this one, Z Crew. You see all these handles. They are the place you can get them through Instagram. Then, if you want to chat them directly on WhatsApp or call them, this is the number to call. This is their business line. Anytime, any day you call this number, they will pick. Gredem. Hasagi, yes, you are speaking to Z Crew Event. I want everybody to get ready. On the 10th of July, remember, 10th of July. Don't eat, no need of eating at home. When you get there, through testing. When we must have test microphone, 1, 2, 3. We test you have forgotten. Please patronize our sister. Anywhere you are in the United States of America, contact them. Or one call. A bubbling and a hustling lady. My sister, we love you. Good luck. Good luck. Get ready.